Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So in my previous video we have discussed how to create a simple line chart using region, category, subcategory and customer segment, all these things. Okay. If you have not watched this one, then I will just share this link in my description box so that you can go and watch that video. So today we will see how to create a line chart with multiple measures. Okay. So what is measure and what is measure value, what is measure name, we have discussed in my previous video also. I will send that link description also in my description box so that you can see that video. So let's start. So for this I will just drag and drop ship date into column and sales into rows. Okay. Just expand this one and click it as enter view. This is the simple line chart, right? So this is the sale, right? But if you want to compare with profit or quantity, okay, just drag and drop profit into this one. Okay, so this axis is called primary vertical axis and this is my right hand side and this one is called secondary vertical axis. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop this one in primary vertical axis. Okay, and see my right hand side, you can see the profit is in blue color and the sale is in orange color. Okay, and you can see here the measure name and the measure value, it comes here, right? And you can see here the profit in quarter 1 was 32,616 and it increased in quarter 2, which was 1,80,995, and again it decreased in quarter 3, it was 10,466. Similarly, in case of sale also, in quarter 1 the sale was 8,56,459 and it increased in quarter 2, which is 10,41,941, and again it decreases and the sale was only 25,937. Okay, so in this way you can create the line chart with multiple measure. Okay, I'll just rename this sheet and I will create one more sheet. Okay, so for this I'll just do the same thing, just drag and drop ship date into column, sale into rows, make it as enter view, expand the year sheet. So this is the normal line chart, right? So in the first one we created with primary vertical axis, right? So in the second one we will just drag and drop profit in secondary vertical axis. Okay, so now you can see the profit on quarter 1 was 32,616 and in quarter 3 was 10,466, which was same in this chart also. The quarter 1 was 32,616 and quarter 2 was 10,466. Okay, so in these two way you can just create a line chart with multiple measures. Same as profit, same as sales also. You can see the sale was 8,56,459 in quarter 1 and in quarter 3 25,937. You can see this chart also, 25,937 in quarter 3 and quarter 1 it is 8,56,459. Okay, so here if you want to compare quantity also, just drag and drop quantity either in primary vertical axis or secondary vertical axis. Okay, I'll do with primary vertical axis. See, this is the quantity which is in red color. You can see the quantity in quarter 1 was 10,944. In quarter 2 it was 13,935 and in quarter 3 it was only 389. Okay, so in this way you can easily create a line chart with multiple measures. Okay, I'll just rename this sheet. You can, if you want to like format the color also, background color, you can do that. So I hope you have understood how to create a line chart with multiple measures. That's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood.